When you want somebody to do something for you, it's important that you ask them in the right way using the right language. In this video, we will study how to request information via email with the help of a sample letter. You start with a greeting, "Hi Dave," followed by a short pleasantry. "I hope that everything is okay over there." In order to be on the same page with your reader, give some information about the previous context. Following our last meeting, then you provide a clear reason for your writing, requesting info. You can do this by using, "I just have a few questions about the Skipton Airport project." If you want to make a formal request, use a more formal language. For example, "I would be grateful if you could provide me." Remember that the structure between a formal and a neutral email is more or less the same. The difference is in the vocabulary and phrases that are used. After stating the purpose, you specify what exactly you need to know. In the sample email, Yan inquires about the details with the help of such phrases as, "Can you give me an update on?" "I'd also appreciate if you could explain and confirm when." "Could you also confirm if?" In case of a formal request, use such phrases as, "Do you think you could?" "Could you possibly?" If you have more than one request, it is recommended to ask them in separate paragraphs. Don't forget to use connectors to order the inquiries and make your email easy to read. For example, first, also, especially, etc. Please note that there can be different kinds of requests: requests for feedback, for an update, confirmation, or for classification. Depending on the type, use the appropriate language. Finally, you should decide what response or action you require of the recipient, and by when. In our sample letter, it is done like this: "Please get back to me with the information as soon as possible." If you need the information by a certain date, set a deadline using such phrases as, "Please email me by," "before," "I need your response by," "before," "Please provide a status update at your earliest convenience." Or use some more formal phrases, such as, "Could you possibly send me your feedback by," "before." Finally, keeping to a common email structure, you should finish off your letter by a proper closing. In our sample letter, the author used "Thanks in advance" as a closing line, "Best regards" as a complimentary closing, and his full name and job position as a signature. Please use all the tips given to you in this lesson to save your time while writing emails.